Hello. Hi, I'm going to show you the first couple of steps in the new member fulfillment sequence for your new doTERRA members at your shop. So you'll go on your dashboard and you will go to the new member sequence tab, and you'll have an email that will give that from doTERRA that will give you their name, phone number, email, address, and the enrollment date. So you'll enter all those things in from either that email or your own records from when you sign them up. And then you'll need to open up the email and text link so that you can get them into the email and text series. So you'll open those up. And I like to put them in order, these tabs in order, so that I know which one I'm working with at any given time. So in these links that you just opened up, you'll click the register now, and you'll simply copy and paste the name and email and phone number into the boxes that are indicated. Once you do that in both of them, you'll get a message saying that they've been successfully entered, and that will not only give them a a series of emails and texts over the next month that will tell them how to use their doTERRA membership, invite them to share, all those different things, but it will also sign them up for the monthly email that will go out regarding essential oils and all the tips and tricks and different events that we'll be doing. So that way we can maximize their membership and they can feel happy and know that they're getting the most out of their oils. Thanks for watching and have a great day.